Oh, nice. Doesn't seem to last very long though. Yeah. Oh, I give up. Bonjour fragrance lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a totally improvised video as we're gonna talk about perfume hacks, and I'm gonna try it live to tell you if it's working or not, or if I can't try it I will tell you what I think. So I'm gonna go through a website and I'm just gonna type perfume hacks. Perfume hacks that will change the way you wear your favorite scent. Interesting. Let's try this. Don't store your perfume in the bathroom. Absolutely not. But it's not really a hack, isn't it? Like, it's just too warm and too hot in the bathroom. Like, perfume don't like hot and cold situation. So it's the worst place to store your fragrance. Definitely. Do moisturize before putting on perfume. Of course, like perfume don't like dry skin. It will just make it like more acidic or just absorb it. So no, you need to moisturize before. Common sense. Don't rub your wrist together. My god, every time I see someone do like, I'm like, no, why? No, like sometimes I do it like without control, but it's not really like when I really want to spray myself and really smell the fragrance. Sometimes it just happens like this, you know. My bad first, but yeah, if you want your fragrance to stay long, if you do that, you're breaking the top notes and your scent is killing. Like not as long lasting, and the top notes are just like a bit dull. As it will be completely different if you let it to dry until it completely absorbs and you just don't do anything. Spray, don't do anything. Pour last tiny bit of perfume into unscented body lotion. Mix the last few drops of your perfume with an unscented body lotion before it runs out. Voila, homemade great smelling body lotion. Okay, we'll try that. Let me just get a non-scented body lotion. I don't even know if I've got that. Do I have that? Who's got a non-scented body lotion at home? I took just like a little body lotion. I think it's more like a for the face, but as long as it's hydrating. So there's just a bit left, so we're gonna do it with a Zara fragrance. Nothing against Zara fragrance, but I don't want to use my Creed or Tom Ford for that. I'm just gonna take, I think that would be nice, Zara Oriental Summer, because it's, I mean, nearly summer. Is it summer? I don't know. A few drops. Okay, I guess there's just a little bit of cream, so this is weird, and I don't think it's really good for the skin, to be honest, to do that. Like, it's just alcohol on your skin. I don't think it's great, especially if you're in another country. Like, don't do that, like otherwise you're gonna have like pigmentation trouble. Okay, let's see. I smell the cream, not the fragrance. Maybe I didn't put that much. They said a few drops. Maybe it's not strong enough. This is no, absolutely not. No. Don't do that at home, okay? You have body lotion that you can buy from brands that are made for this and in a more dermatological way. Keep the box of your fragrance. Yes, yes, yes. Don't shake your perfume. Who does that? Spritz some scent on your airbrush, adding a little perfume to your dew can ensure that you smell great all night, but the alcohol in perfume can dry out your hair, so don't apply it directly to your locks. Instead, slightly spray your hairbrush with it and then brush it through. Do they actually really think it removes the alcohol if you do that? Okay, brush is here. Zara fragrance. Oh. Okay, so it's powdery malolé. I'm gonna spray it there. So just a little reminder that I'm probably gonna kill my hair for you, but if you do that, you don't remove the alcohol and the anything. Voila. If you put fragrance in your hair, it's your own bad. It's gonna dry your hair and probably in a few years create a breakage, and you're gonna lose your hair. At least some of them, they're gonna break very easily. So it's absolutely not recommended to spray in your hair. It's not. For now, it seems okay for you, it smells beautiful, but in a few years, okay. Any more maybe? I'm really cringing doing that, but yeah, it smells a little bit. Not that much, to be honest, huh? Maybe when I move. Doesn't really worth it. You do have hair mist, those hair mists from different brands, and then you can have like a more, I would say, safe way to spray and smell your fragrance longer, especially in your hair. Spray after you shower but before getting dressed. Oh, that's a really good axe actually. It does work a lot because when you spray out of your shower, all your pores are usually enlarged because of the heat. And this is basically where the active ingredient of a cream, for example, will deep dive more deeper and do work a bit more as well for you. And for fragrance, it kind of locked in the scent. Again, it's not really recommending for your skin, but if you do apply it after body lotion, I don't see really the bad thing that can happen. I always do it, and it's true that the scent stick to my skin much more longer. So if longevity is a thing for you, really you can do that. Store your perfume in a deep dark place. Yes, of course. Of course. Next one. Apply Vaseline. Oh, that's really working. You apply a bit of Vaseline on the pulse point there, and then you apply your fragrance. It does last longer. I've done a solid fragrance with Vaseline. It doesn't really work because it's melting a bit, but I've put some fragrance into Vaseline and I use it, I've put it in my bag, and then I've used it during the day, and it's true, it's like top up a little bit, but I prefer to take my fragrance with me personally. Leave coffee beans in between samples. That is working. It's really like a common thinking. Everyone thinks that if you smell coffee, you did remove all the smells you smelled before and your nose is clean. It doesn't. There is still the coffee smell, kind of, and the molecule of coffee. The best thing to do to remove what you smelled before is to smell your skin when it's unscented. That would just like deep breath in, and then you can smell again something different. And oh my god, that's the Zara. Woo! The body lotion is working maybe. Or you can actually take a tissue paper and deep breathe in inside. Because of the cleanness of the paper, it will remove anything that you smelled before. That's much better than the coffee, trust me. There's one that is really interesting. So it says to spray cotton ball or cotton tips, and then you have to squish it to remove the excess oxygen, and then you put it in a plastic bag. It's really strange, but we're gonna try. Cotton ball in there. We're gonna take a little fragrance. We're gonna spray. Literally, this is like ruining my hands. Like, even I don't recommend you to do that because it's ridiculous. Like, smells in, and then you need to squish it with the perfume, so you have everywhere the perfume on your lovely nails and hands. This is really what we want. Love it. And if you're wearing nail varnish, it's gonna remove it all. So nice, so nice. So it's supposed to be a nice top-up. I'm just gonna use the plastic of this. It's just gonna be a nice, they said, top-up for during the day. So you put it into the plastic after, in the plastic, and then you put it in your bag. It looks a bit gross, to be honest. Like, there's no chance I'm doing that on a real basis. Absolutely no chance. And then when you want to respray yourself, you can just use the cotton tip like this, and it will stay moist and you will smell again. So shall we wait like an hour and come back to this? Where is the... Oh, why I'm losing everything in there? This video is a catastrophe. Last time I'm doing this. Okay, it's an hour after now, so I'm gonna take my little thingy. It does work a bit. Like, I can feel it's still a bit moist. Oh, but it's gross. Like, you can see my foundation here. Oh, no, no, no. Like, the bin, please. I'll do my little research next time and find you like top picks, top hacks, and we're gonna try again together to see if it works. If you want to see another disaster like this. Anyway, if you want to, after seeing this video, if you still want to, you can subscribe to my channel, leave me a little like, and of course share your top hacks fragrance. Did you ever try this, or would you just like me never try this? Some are really interesting though, but that's it. I will see you soon. Bye now.